So the last clip you guys saw of me was me cleaning, right? I decided that I wanted to throw away some trash, so I went down to throw away the trash, brought my key, but my apartment key was not on my keychain. So I had to wait for some help, and now about 40 minutes later, here I am in the flesh. Let's just make sure that computer's charged and we can take this test. Wish me luck. I didn't like die. The rain kind of got me, but I'm here with Sean and we're gonna get pasta because I've only ever eaten like Asian food in New York, so this is new for me.
Come and get to know me, baby. I've been by my lonely baby. Put it all on me now. You be all I need.
Bitch don't need no practice. Take over the atlas. I just need that traction. Then I break her back, you know, hold her, she a cactus. Clubbing with her bad friends. She don't want no smoke, she gon' smoke to the max, bitch. I just walked in.
So Sean and I just walked to Washington Square Park. I'm like never here. This is probably like my second time coming here since I came to New York this summer, but it's kind of cute. It's really poppin'. I feel like I just see people come here on like social media, so I think I've been here, but I don't really go here at all. But we're here and we're waiting for Elliot, maybe.
Mr. Elliot.
We'll see when Mr. Elliot appears.
You don't want this. Little mama, I don't need no practice. Hey, I told you I don't need no practice. Talk to you proper.
I'm in New York City. I'm in Washington Square Park, I think.
I've been here the whole time. Now that's what they wanna be a part of. Bitch, you need some water. My shit hard not, they just knock off. So you lost this shit when you walked off. So don't talk that shit, you can't back off.
August 9th through 10th, 4th, and blah blah blah, like we know how to take.
You didn't take one?
What is it?
It's pandan jelly, red tapioca, and grass jelly.
I hit a new low and stumbled on gold. I want it right now for taking it slow. Never held me down, you dipped in it so. Unlucky for you, I won't let it go. Bitch, you fought with a petty king. I don't do forgiving for a lot of things, yeah. Fuck me over, I'm gon' do that shit right back to you. My new bitch named Karma and we coming back for you.
So I just escaped the rain to do a meeting. But oh, we're off to window shop. Not gonna make any purchases today because I spent too much money. So yeah. But I'm always in
10 on me, I got brand new Getty rings on me. 45 might put some wings on them. I wouldn't fall, wouldn't bend for you. Should've went ghost, but I sent for you. I got a message like 10-4. Now you want toast, but we been froze.
Is it the morning anymore? Probably not, right?
No.
Nope, it's noon. Good afternoon. Kevin and I are going to lunch with his friends. Well, his friend and his friend's roommate, but I don't really have a plan for today, but I have lots of work to do. But I have to eat first, and we're in Soho. As always, I feel like I need to go somewhere else, but It's okay. It's cute. I'm wearing a really cute top today, but I feel like I'm gonna expose myself in like 2 seconds. But it's cute. It's from, I can't pronounce the store name. I say iStylist, but I'm pretty sure that's wrong. But it's actually Soho, so cute, right? Cute. So I left. I think I was at lunch last time you guys saw me, but I'm up like around like Astor Place right now to meet up with some friends really quick. But yeah, it's really nice today. Yeah, but I'm like never ever around here, but you probably can't hear me at all, but we're at Gray Street, obviously after Korean barbecue, and we got the lychee rose. Food. Yeah, good decision. Much needed. Oh, why is it so good?